We want to convert the following decimals to fractions. We have 0.05 recurring with the dot only over the 5. We let x be equal to 0.05 recurring. 0.05 recurring with the dot only over the 5 means 0.0555 and so on to infinity. The dot is only over the 5, so it's only the 5 that recurs. If we now have 100x, this would be equal to 5.5 recurring. Multiplying by 100 moves the decimal point 2 places, so we can see how this works. So we'll now have 5.5 recurring. 99x is equal to 100x take away x. Therefore it's this number take away this number. So we're left with 5.5. Looking at these numbers, which we wrote out more fully, we can see how this works. The expansion cancels from this point on. So x is going to be 5.5 over 99. Multiplying top and bottom by 10 gives 55 over 990. We can cancel down here. 55 goes into 55 once, and into 990 18 times. Although you may not have noticed this straight away, and may have cancelled in stages. So our final answer here is 1/18. Now let's look at the second method. 0.05 recurring is equal to 0.5 recurring divided by 10. Think about division by 10. What does it do? 0.5 recurring is 0.5 to infinity. If we hop the decimal point one place to the left, then we get 0.05 recurring. Now 0.5 recurring we know is 5/9 using the second method. Remember 1/9 is 0.1 recurring, so 0.5 recurring would be 5/9. We want to divide that by 10, which gives us 5 over 90. 5 goes into 5 one time and into 90 18 times, so we get 1/18. Now we have 0.54 recurring with just the 4 recurring. So it's 5444 and so on to infinity. Using the first method, let's let x be equal to this number. If we have 100x, we hop the decimal point 2 places, giving us 54.4 recurring. So 99x is 100x, take away x, So we need to do 54.4 recurring, take away 0.54 recurring. We can see that the decimal expansion is going to cancel all the way back to infinity from here. So we're left with 54.4, take 0.5. Borrow 1 from here. 14 take 5 is 9. 3 take 0 is 3. And 5 take 0 is 5. So we have 53.9. So 99x is equal to 53.9. That means that x is 53.9 divided by 99, and for a fraction we can't have a decimal in the numerator. Multiplying top and bottom by 10 gives 539 over 990. Although it's difficult to spot, and you probably would not be penalized for it, there is some cancelling here. 11 goes into 539 49 times, and into 990 90 times. So we have 49 over 90. Using our second method, and in my view this is where it comes into its own, being very much easier than the first method, we could use 0.54 recurring as 0.5 plus 0.04 recurring. 0.5 as a fraction is just 1/2. 0.04 recurring is 0.4 recurring divided by 10. We had this discussion earlier. So this is 1/2 plus 4/9 using this fact divided by 10 is 4/90. 1/2 can be written as 45/90. We can now see that we have 49/90. You need to make a choice as to which method you use. Personally, I like to have both at my disposal.